Welcome back, everybody. Today on Cooking with the Crazy Pop, that's what the kids like to call it now, we are going to do some atomic buffalo turds. That's right, they don't sound good, but they are good, ain't they, Michael? Yeah, Michael's going to help me make these things today. They're also known as ABTS, and they're real simple to make and really, really good. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, Michael's going to do all our preparation. What you'll first want to do is just cut the stem ends off, and then slice it down the center. Be sure you wear gloves when you do this, because you are messing with hot peppers. Alright, just slice it down the center. Make 2 halves out of it. Alright, once you have that done, we'll move your stem out the way. Now you just want to take we got a measuring scoop, or you can use a melon ball scoop, or even just a spoon, and just kind of scoop everything out. You just want to scoop it out. There you go. And throw some seeds everywhere. There you go. Scoop it out. That's good. That's good, Michael. Alright, do the other one the same way. Alright, once you have that done, you'll take a little bit of the cream cheese over there and put down in it. That's cream cheese and mozzarella and Colby. And what we're going to do now is, well, that's about 1 block of cream cheese and about a cup of mozzarella and Colby Jack shredded. But hey, mix it however you like to mix it. That's just a good blend we like to use. Alright, once you get as much cheese in there as you want to use, we'll take a little smoky over here. Grab a little smoky, Michael. And just put it down in the cheese. Kind of just push it down in there. Alright, that one's good. Alright, and do the other one. Alright, then we're going to take it and wrap it in bacon. Take a piece of bacon. What you want to do is just kind of pick it up and start it from the bottom. There you go. And just wrap it. It's easier if you pick it up, buddy. There you go. They're learning. It's fun to cook with kids.
Can't do it.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. Let me show you how?
Yeah.
Okay. He's never tried to wrap it before, so the easiest way I found is go ahead and pick it up, put it on one end down here like this, and then just wrap it like so. There you go, like that. And then you want to try this other one?
Yeah.
Okay, he wants to try the other one. Start at the end down here. Now we'll pick it up and put it over the top. Hold it with this finger, like that, and just wrap it. Or turn it, however you can do it. Takes a little practice sometimes. That'll work. Now, if you want to, you can use toothpicks. We don't normally use toothpicks, but you can to kind of hold the bacon in place. So basically, that's how you prepare them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get the rest of them prepared. And then me, Michael, and Junior are going to be getting the grill ready. We're going to put these on the grill. And we'll be back. Alright, we got them all made up now, ready for the grill. So we got the grill heating up to about 250 degrees. When it gets ready, we'll put them on there. Okay, the grill is up to about 250 degrees now. We're going to be using the pellet grill today. You can use charcoal grill, or you can even put these in the oven. So Michael's going to go ahead and set them on the grill for us. What we're using here is some disposable, as you see, disposable mats from Walmart. You can use fog mats, you can use whatever you need. I found these for, I think, $1 or $2 at Walmart. They're supposed to be disposable, but you can rewash them and reuse them. So what we're going to do now is just set all these atomic buffalo turds on here, and we're going to let them cook for right at about 2 hours till that bacon's good and done.
Do you want to touch them?
No, leave a little space in between so they can get cooked and a little smoke get in between them. Alright, we'll get them all set on here and we'll be back. Alright, we got them all on here now. So we're going to let them cook for about 2 hours. About 250 degrees. And earlier, I told you wrong. We used Monterrey Jack and Colby instead of mozzarella. I don't know where I got mozzarella from, so strike that mozzarella. It's Monterey Jack and Colby cheese mixed with cream cheese. Alright, so we're going to close it down, let it cook, and we'll be back in a couple hours. Check on them. Alright, these have been on the grill for a little over an hour. Let's take a peek at them and see how they look. Oh yeah. Starting to look good. But not quite ready yet. So we're going to let them cook just a little bit longer. We'll come back and check on them. Right at 2 hours. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. I say they're done. They're ready. Boy, those look good. So, let's take them up. Put them in a pan. Get them inside, let them cool down just a little bit. And we'll be ready to eat. Okay, we got them cooled off now, and Junior's gonna be our guinea pig. He's gonna try one. Bite into it, buddy. See what you think. Are they good? Mm-hmm. They are? You gonna eat the whole pan of them? Mm-hmm. You are. Okay. So, try them out. See what you think. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And you'll like them as much as Junior here does. You gonna eat the whole pan by yourself? Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Make sure y'all keep up with our channel.